Say goodbye to buffering and lag. Fiber Network Services offers blazing fast speeds. Internet users are no longer willing to put up with the slow speeds and reliability issues that traditional copper networks face. Fortunately, a much better solution is available: fiber optic internet service. Fiber optic internet can deliver fast speeds and is far more reliable than copper networks. It is so fast and reliable that it has quickly become the preferred choice for home and business users. Here are just a few reasons why you should consider making the switch to fiber optic internet service. Incredibly fast. If you are tired of waiting for pages to load or for files to download, fiber optic internet is the perfect solution. With speeds of up to 1 gigabit per second, you can do everything you need to do online without waiting. More reliable than ever. Fiber optics are not susceptible to interference from weather or other external factors. It means you can rely on your connection being there when needed. Ideal for businesses. Businesses rely on the internet for various tasks, from communication to marketing to sales. It can help businesses run more efficiently by providing the fast, reliable connection they need. Secure. Fiber optic signals are encoded, making them much more difficult to intercept. It makes fiber optic internet an excellent choice for businesses that need to protect sensitive data. If you're tired of dealing with a slow internet connection, switch to a high-speed fiber network today. If you're looking for a better way to connect, look no further than House of IT for your high-speed fiber network needs. As the leading provider of IT services, we can offer you the speeds and reliability you need to stay connected. Get in touch with us to get you started with a fiber optic internet connection. Visit our website, houseofit.ph.